Okay guys, so this is part 1 of your review for your unit test. We're going to start with numbers 1 through 5. Let's look at number 1. It says blank, a number that is multiplied by the variable. So we're looking for the number that is multiplied by the variable. We know that the variable is the letter, so remember when we circle the variable and its friend, we call that friend the coefficient. So for number 1, we're going to write coefficient. Coefficient is the number that is multiplied by the variable. Now let's take a look at number 2. A number represented by a letter which can change or vary. The number that is represented by a letter is the definition that we wrote on our assignment today. That is going to be the variable. So for number 2, we will go ahead and write variable. Number 3, blank operations that undo each other. They're the opposite operations. Those are inverse. Inverse operations. Number 4, a number sentence that contains an equal sign. So we wrote those today. We talked about how the word kind of sounds like equal, and that's going to be equation. An equation contains an equal sign. And last one, number 5, is the meaning of this symbol. I know this one's kind of hard for you guys, so we need to read it and think of whether it's less than or greater than. If we look at it and if we were to draw teeth inside of it, it would eat whatever's on this side. So if we read it from left to right, we know that this is greater than. That's part 1 of your review. I will put up part 2 tomorrow. Make sure that you fill this in on your paper and then you mark complete on your Google assignment.